Hi, I'm Rob McClure, and I'm here at New 42 talking about the new Broadway musical, Mrs. Doubtfire. Ah! So tell me, what should I do here? Tell me, what should I not? 'Cause I'll do whatever it takes to hold on. They're all that I am. They're all that I've got. Mrs. Doubtfire is about a family going through a really messy divorce, and the father loses custody of his 3 kids in a messy custody battle, and is only granted supervised visitation once a week. Well, for this dad, that's not enough. So he disguises himself as an elderly Scottish nanny to spend more time with his kids, and insanity ensues.
You'll be thinking of Charlize Theron, dear. A lot of people get us mixed up.
It's universal, and sort of timeless, this idea of what a father will do to be with his kids. I think if you can't relate to that, you don't have a pulse. So, yeah, that's what the audience can expect, a good time.
Very faithful to the way the story should be told, but then again to open it up emotionally and physically in ways that a musical can. It makes sense. These characters can sing. These emotions are larger than life. This passion that he has to keep his family together, knows no bounds.
Everything is better with a little bit of butter, but it's better not to burn it. If you burn it, then it's bitter. You want to make a better, better. Let me show you how to do it right now.
I am really excited for audiences to see Rob McClure's performance. It is unbelievable. I think he changes costumes like 40 times in the evening. It is Rob is it's a virtuosic performance.
Rob McClure is so funny and so nice, but he's the best stage daddy, and he does a great job of doing the role of Daniel and Mrs. Doubtfire.
We bring all of these characters, not just Mrs. Doubtfire, but everyone really comes to life and gets fleshed out and gets to be a part of the story about love and family.
Getting hot flashes. Hey Siri, restaurants near me that deliver.